One of the things that I wanted to share with you is that I am an extremely huge Disney fan, in case you didn't know it. And lately, I have been very inspired by a certain YouTube channel that I want to talk a little bit about. That channel is The Tim Tracker. In case you guys have not seen him and his wife are phenomenal. They put so much time and heart into their channel. They are recording practically daily or every other day new videos about Disney World and everything going on in the Orlando area. With that being said, I wanted to give them something special. So I made them a custom rubber stamp. I love their catchphrase, now it's time to pay the price, and I hope that in the next couple of weeks when we come down to Disney World that we run into them so that we get to give out their tagline. But I did make this custom rubber stamp for them. What I did was I created that using part of their logo. I added the text to it, and it's perfect because they could use it for any mail they might send out on behalf of their channel. It's a red rubber stamp, and you can see that it's all mounted on foam. It's professionally cut, and then there's a handle on it because that just makes it easier to stamp. Well, and I'll also fangirl for a moment because I will tell you that I do watch this channel quite often while I am designing rubber stamps. So, now it's time to pay the price. I hope you both love that stamp. If you love what we did for Tim Tracker, be sure to visit our website, which is jessicalynoriginal.com. You can order a custom rubber stamp as well. We could make your logo. I could design something for you. I could work from a piece of clip art as long as it's not copyrighted. You just go to your stamps and you can see custom rubber stamps. You have the choice for the handled one or just a wood block. Go ahead and choose which one you like. You can see we offer sizes all the way from 1/2 inch all the way up to 5 by 8. It's a huge red rubber stamp. Choose your size, upload your file, add it to cart, check out. We'll get this process started for you. Thank you again for watching our video today. If you're interested in what we're doing, be sure to subscribe. And if you're interested, watch some of our other videos. Thanks so much. Oh, don't forget to comment.